Hey my C stars, so welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my little sleek ponytails. So first off, the ponytail will be used to come from Vigorous. I got this off Amazon. This was about $16 and it also came with a pack of, well, I took it off the pack, but it came with some bobby pins and it also came with 2 hair ties. So this is the Vigorous curly ponytail extension drawstring ponytail. So I thought this was really cute. I did another ponytail. It wasn't in one of my makeup videos that I also got from Amazon. That was more of a body wave hair. This is more of a deep wave. So this is what the hair looks like, what the ponytail looks like. So you definitely see it. The curls itself are very, very, very gorgeous. I really, really love this. You have your drawstring piece here. And you also have your 2 combs in here to best secure this. So before we get to putting the ponytail on, I'm just going to detangle my hair. I did it earlier, but I'm just going to take my brush to just detangle it even more. So this hair is a 1B. Just wanted to mention that as well. So I'm going to moisturize my hair, and this is the Cantu Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturizer. I like to put on a generous amount. My hair is not relaxed, so I definitely want to make sure that it's spread evenly around. So after I do that, I like to take, this is the Cantu Shea Butter Hair Dressing Pomade. I'm going to apply this to my hair as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take my rat comb and I'm going to, sometimes I do a middle part, but I think I want to do like a side part. So now what I like to do is take my Shine Jam and I'm going to use this to help mold my hair. it's gonna be a lot because my hair isn't relaxed, so usually my hair would just lay down, but right now it's not. So I'm just having to put a little bit more work into it. Okay, so I finally got my hair in a ponytail. I'm gonna spray this just to help hold it. And because my hair is just growing back a little bit, because the way my hair is growing back, I have some short pieces on the side. So I'm gonna just take a bobby pin to pin them up. So I'm going to work on these baby hairs, and I'm going to take the 715 edge control. I will link the Instagram below and website so you can check her out. This was by Zena. She is a hairstylist here in the DMV area. So I'm just taking it on my edge control. First, I'm going to work on these baby sideburns. So I'm going to just lay my hair down for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to proceed to putting this ponytail on. Okay, so it's been about 10-15 minutes. So this is the ponytail. So what I want to do is kind of like finger out the curls a little bit. They're too a little too uniform for me, so I'm gonna just, just finger them a little bit. And I'm just letting my comb drag it. I'm not really combing it, like combing it. I'm just tilting the comb on it just to kind of break up some of the curls a little bit. So it's looking a little more fluffier. So I'm going to take the two combs. One is for the top of the bun. The other is for the bottom of the bun. And then I will pull the drawstring. So I'm going to just take a little piece of the hair and just wrap it around. Like, I love this ponytail. It is too cute. I'm in love. I am in love. Super affordable. Depending on how often you wear this, it's definitely worth being replaced. One thing I didn't do, which was my mistake, is wrap around the drawstring first before I wrapped around that piece of hair. But definitely in the morning, I would definitely do it the right way. Do not, I repeat, do not sleep in the ponytail. Just pop it on in the morning or whenever and just go. Do not sleep in it because you definitely will ruin it. Just look. I just want to put on a cute shirt and just like, I'll be right back. Definitely want to just get out that robe and just put like a t-shirt on. But I love this. This is so cute, so sleek, so easy. Definitely beginner friendly. You can use your own techniques or your own styling or your own products. But this is just how I like to do my hair. Again, I am not I am not a hairstylist or anything like that. I just pretty much wear my hair, my wigs, how I like them. But definitely, if you know any better techniques as far as, you know, molding your hair, ponytails, different other styles, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you want to see me even review or try on any different products, any different hairstyles, definitely, again, link that in the description box below. I'm gonna definitely be playing with my hair like this all night. So I'm just so in love, and it's just so full and luscious, and I'm loving this deep wave. I'm loving it. And guys, if you're loving it too, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. Again, guys, I thank you for supporting me, and I will see you next time. Bye.